Ayushmann Khurrana actually proposed to me on stage. I was a child actress. You will never ever know what you like for sure.
You are youngest from your batch in IIM Ahmedabad.
People go for MBA and one of the reasons is to find a life partner, and I'm not kidding. Yes. Do not let them tell you that you are this, you are this, you are this.
Is MBA the only career that defines you? Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of the Creators Podcast where we explore dreams, stories and success. And today we have a very special guest with us, Rudra Nikam, who is IIM Ahmedabad 2021 graduate and is currently product manager at Pocket FM.
Yes. Hi everyone.
So Rudra, so मैंने आपको देखी थी थोड़ी सी जर्नी
हाँ.
and you are youngest from your batch in IIM Ahmedabad.
हाँ जी.
तो कितने एज के आप थे तब?
19 की थी जब कैट लिखी थी, 20 when I entered. हाँ.
20 when you entered. So
Yeah.
मतलब आप 21, 22 के थे जब आप ग्रेजुएट हो गए थे.
हाँ.
That too from IIM Ahmedabad.
हाँ
So
जी.
that is an achievement in itself.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to think that, but yes, definitely.
Congratulations on that. So basically, in this conversation, we'll uncover your journey, your MBA journey, because being a fresher, being the youngest, वो एक अपने आप में एक exposure देता है, एक अपने आप में एक experience होता है, you know, अपने आप में एक यार vibe है, journey है कि यार youngest हूँ मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ, चलो. And we'll uncover that.
All right.
But before that, I have done a little bit of research.
Okay.
And I was really impressed
हाँ.
on the fact that you have created such a strong personal brand on your own that you were invited for podcasts or you have done podcasts with prominent personalities like Kushal Lodha, like Shweta Arora. So actually I am feeling very blessed that I am doing this with you.
कुछ भी नहीं है. I think they're just been kind enough to call me, and since some of them are friends also, so it's really nice to be seeing their journeys and how amazing they're doing. Or next in line is going to be you, so thanks for calling me. Yeah.
No, thank you so much for that, and thank you for coming to our show. So before diving into your MBA journey, I would like to say, मेरे को एक और काफी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट पता चला था आपके बारे में that you have done an award-winning short film named Love Forever, जिसके actually 200K plus views हैं. And also you have also done a music with Z Music Company, right?
Yeah.
तो I would like to know कि यार कैसे कहाँ से आई ये opportunities आपको, कैसा था experience, because what I believe is you were a commerce student back then.
Yes.
In HR College of Commerce. So tell me more about it.
I mean, काफी अच्छा research, very very IMA like. Thanks. But yeah, all these opportunities were extremely organically flowed to me, and I've always been this kind of person. So if I like to do something, like if something interests me, I just jump into it without thinking much about it. Like, you won't believe the short film that we shot was literally in a phone with 4 people in the team, and मैं पूरा मेकअप करके गई थी, and उन्होंने डायरेक्टर ने बोला कि just remove all the makeup off. Like, I don't want that. Like, it has to be extremely organic, and we want to show the journey of that girl. And journey start actually बहुत पहले से होती है. तो मैं बताऊँ वो?
बताओ.
I was a child actress.
Wow.
And I think people, fellow Mumbaikars, I'm a Bombay girl, तो fellow Mumbaikars ये थोड़ा मेरे साथ रिलेट करते कि मुंबई ये थोड़ा ना
एक्टिंग वाली लाइन में
हो ही जाता है,
कुछ तो होगा पक्का.
किसी की चाचा बुआ फूफा कहीं ना कहीं डलवा ही देते हैं. Having said that, बचपन में काफी एड शूट्स किए थे, फ्रूटी एंड ऑल के एड्स में आई थी, थोड़े सीरियल्स किए थे.
पेटीएम की एड में भी आए थे ना?
पेटीएम की एड में आई थी मैं. एंड देन माई पेरेंट्स वर वर्किंग, तो ज़्यादा मैं इसमें कर नहीं पाई थी, बिकॉज सभी के टाइम पे ऑडिशंस में जाना एंड ऑल यूज्ड टू बी लाइक घंटों हमें लाइन में खड़े रहना पड़ता था, फिर ऑडिशन दो, फिर 1-2 राउंड्स करने पड़ते थे. तो वो थोड़ा छूट गया, बट वो अंदर ही अंदर वो थोड़ा सा नौटंकी का कीड़ा बचपन से था. तो कॉलेज जाते ही आई थिंक 11th स्टैंडर्ड से आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रीट प्लेस. आई वाज द हेड ऑफ कल्चरल सोसाइटी इन एनएम कॉलेज. तभी हम भाईदास हॉल है बहुत फेमस, वहाँ पे शोज़ करते थे. जेजू जागृति हॉल में शोज़ करते थे. आई रिमेंबर इनएक्टिंग माई प्रिंसिपल, क्योंकि हमारा 50th एनिवर्सरी था और वो प्रिंसिपल सामने बैठी थी और मुझे ऐसे नजरों से देख रही थी कि तुझे तो मैं बाद में देख लूँगी बच्चों. बट हाँ, और उसी के टाइम पे एंकरिंग स्टार्ट करी मैंने. तो ये वो सारी चीज़ें स्टार्ट हो गई. HR कॉलेज में गई तभी पैजेंट्स हो गए. सो आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और मेरे अंदर वो चुल था कि चल करके तो देखते क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. एंड fingers crossed, it just clicked.
And then in between also you also had some anchoring, did some anchoring as well, है ना?
Yeah.
And I've seen, मतलब again research में मेरे को पता चला था कि you have anchored for cultural events जहाँ पर guests like आयुष्मान खुराना, जैकलिन फर्नांडिस, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आए हैं. How was it? Like proper glam life?
ग्लैम, मैं तो मतलब मुझे याद है जब सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा को मैंने देखा था, आदित्य रॉय कपूर को देखा था, मेरे हाथ में माइक था, मैंने बोला भाई मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं जा रही हूँ. नहीं होगा भाई, पगला गया हो गया ये लोग के साथ मैं स्टेज पे. मतलब it was by far the experience where I was just, अभी भी बोल रही हूँ तो मुझे like I'm feeling. But Ayushmann Khurrana actually proposed to me on stage.
What?
Yeah, yes.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. मतलब वो अपने मूवी के प्रमोशन के लिए आए थे, and then he was very sweet and he danced with me and I was like बस हो गया है, आज के बाद मेरे को पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी. I am just in cloud nine. But I would actually thank people उस टाइम पे जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ यंग गर्ल, not very I was not trained or I didn't have experience. It was just people who had the first faith in me and they were like यार चल कर देखते क्या होगा. Because that kind of faith to show on a fresher was something that I think I still thank all of those people in my journey. And yeah, it was amazing.
वही चीज़ है कि करके देखते हैं, देखा जाएगा क्या होगा.
आई थिंक मेरा पूरा लाइफ उसी पे है.
Even now, हाँ?
Even now, like consulting भी वैसे ही हुआ, मैं बता रही थी.
बैक से हमने काफी बात करी इसके बारे में.
करके देखते हैं, फिर देखा जाएगा.
बढ़िया. तो सो अगेन यू वर एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम वहाँ पर एंकरिंग कर रहे हो, देन मॉडलिंग कर रहे हो, एक्टिंग कर रहे हो, तो प्रॉपर ग्लैम लाइफ आ रहा है, अटेंशन मिल रहा है, एंड आई बिलीव यू मस्ट बी एंजॉयिंग दैट फेज, राइट?
अटेंशन तो अभी भी आ रहा है. So I'm still enjoying. But having said that, I loved talking to the crowd. I think that was the best thing about, and चाहे वो थिएटर के थ्रू था, चाहे वो स्ट्रीट प्लेस के थ्रू था. काला घोड़ा पे आई यूज्ड टू डू स्ट्रीट प्लेस. It was in pageant competitions, so anything. I just loved to talk to people, understand their journeys, and I think more and more just spread like a little bit of happiness, a little bit of smiles, right? And I got the chance, and attention was just a byproduct of it, but most of it was just seeing so many people having fun. That was good.
बट हाउ इज दिस लाइफ एज वेल? लाइक एक तो हो गया ग्लैम एस्पेक्ट, काफ़ी ग्लैमरस चीज़ें हो रही है, काफ़ी बड़े बड़े लोगों से मिलने को मिल रहा है, वी ऑल नो सेलिब्रिटीज, बट कैसा है व्हेन यू आर स्पेशली एट द एंकरिंग वाले स्टेज पे? इज मनी इज रियल?
Of course it's real. I think I mean money is definitely real. Today for a minute person with like 10k followers on LinkedIn, let's just assume LinkedIn gets 5 to 10,000 for one post, right? That's bare minimum. That's the rate that's going on. Of course there is money, but every good content creator I have met, or any artist that I have met, be it in acting, be it in music, be it in influencer space as well, nobody started for money.
Yeah. खुद की, exactly. खुद का पैशन होता है वहाँ पे.
They all wanted to start passion. Like I remember when I was in Anupam Kher's Acting Institute, वहाँ पे actor prepares में हमें बताया जाता था कि if you're here to earn money, right, you can never be an actor. तुम वो मतलब you are a, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, I'm forgetting the word, but you're just there to entertain people. You're not like living the life of an artist, right? If you purely want to be that, then don't channelize. But money just happens, and it happens in every field.
Right, right. वो हर जगह है, right?
But having said that, yes, there's a lot of money.
Interesting to know. Actually, you know, मैंने अपना पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया था तो तब लोग पूछे थे, भैया क्यों कर रहे है तू?
हाँ.
यहाँ पर है, मतलब तू IIM से पास आउट है, अच्छी जॉब लग रखी है, फिर why are you doing this? And इनफैक्ट उसमें भी मेरे को पूछा, जब जितने एपिसोड्स आउट हुए, कि तुम ऐसे जितने अपने गेस्ट बुलाते हो उनके ऐसे बचपन की स्टोरीज क्यों सुन रहे हैं वहाँ पे? दे हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। प्रेजेंट में जो है उसके बारे में बात करो ना, या फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करो। देन व्हाई आर यू अनकवरिंग दिस ऑल चाइल्डहुड जर्नीज मोमेंट्स? ये क्या है, ये क्यों है? तो मैंने सोचा कि मेरा बिलीफ ये है कि जो एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं ना, इस पूरी जहाँ तक यहाँ पर आए हो, पूरी जर्नी में जो एक्सपीरियंसेस है, दैट शेप यू एज अ पर्सन।
डेफिनेटली।
एंड क्योंकि हर एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा कोई ना कोई एट्रीब्यूट या क्वालिटी आपकी होगी जो आपको तब एक्सप्लोर होगी और वो आपके साथ रिटेन कर जाएगी।
एंड आई टेल यू अ वेरी वैलिड एग्जांपल फॉर दिस। मेरे सारे IIMs के कॉल्स में, I'm not even kidding, right? A was a little differentiating, but even in A, my journey was discussed in length, right? They wanted to know कि अच्छा मतलब acting करी है तो what as an actor did you learn? If you are, you've failed, you've gone on stages where you're standing in front of 1,000 people. What was the experience like, right? Of course, the point is very well taken कि your experiences build you. They shape you, and the way you overcome those experiences also good and bad. It's your reactions matter.
Not only the good things, bad things also. क्योंकि वहाँ पर actually character build होता है एक इंसान का.
हाँ जी, yes.
That is true, and that is what my podcast is about actually.
Beautiful.
कि पूरी experiences को uncover करके क्या ऐसा quality थी या क्या decision लिया, उस mentality क्या build हुई वहाँ पे जो अभी भी है.
Yes.
तो that is one thing. So इसके बाद then how did MBA happen for you? Because you were doing anchoring, acting में हो, commerce grad when you graduated, but MBA का thought आया भी कहाँ से कि यार चलो MBA करते हैं?
मेरे बाप की आरज़ू. I had to say that dialogue, yaar, come on. नहीं यार, MBA happened was because I come from a very hardworking parents, like very nuclear family. ऐसा नहीं था कि पैसा ही बहुत
आपके
था.
पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं?
My dad is retired right now. Mom is working in a shirt and jeans company. It's called KKCL, Killer. But having said that, I had a very humble childhood as well, and a very humbling experience where both my parents were working. My dad was not in India for 15 years. So very young realized कि hey, we have to hard work to reach where you want to be. Because I could see my dad doing such big sacrifices, stay away from the family to, give me the future I deserve. And mom is working for so many hours, etc. Having said that, I realized that acting. My dad was a professional singer, by the way.
Oh.
Back in the day, he had his first album released at the age of 14.
Wow.
So he has his own journey, and उनकी journey से वो सब सीखा था कि यार ये थोड़ा तभी dicey feel लगता था, content, etc. Right now it's amazingly well and established.
Getting the structure also.
Exactly, but that time I think realized very quickly कि hey, I think I need to contribute to my family because I'm a single child, no siblings, etc. So I just realized और यार हम इंजीनियर नहीं हैं, हमारी फर्स्ट जो जॉब लगती है वो लिटरली साल के 3-3.5 लाख की जॉब. भाई क्या होता है तभी 25,000 रुपए में
मुंबई में वो भी
मुंबई में ट्रैवलिंग में चला जाता था. And that time I used to stay at this place called a very small place in Kandivali. Traveling from there and etc. whatever. So realized very quickly that I think this might not work. Let's try different options. What can I do next, right? Then GMAT was not an option because I wanted to do it immediately. And the next thing was I thought I'll go out of India and do MIM or something like that. But I was like, let's try this. Let's try this. And as my motto is, कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है, जो होगा, नहीं होगा, then we'll see. That's not today's fight. Then, but luckily it just clicked. MBA happened. I went in the mindset कि HUL जाना है.
अच्छा, पहले से वो क्लियर था कि यही जाना है.
Marketing mind, brand stories, big time fan of all the brands of HUL, their ads, etc. I remember because of that lime और जब हमारे कॉलेज में भी आते थे I was one of the most, मतलब मैंने इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे कि HUL ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरी फोटो डाली थी एज अ पोस्ट.
वो दिखाना चाहता कि देखो ये है जो पूछ रही है.
ये देखो इतने ऐसे बड़े लोग वाले लोग. बट या तो HUL कैसे जाते हैं, तो मेरे दिमाग में MBA करने के बाद HUL जाते हैं. ऑल्सो मैंने 2 इंटर्नशिप्स की थी, मैंने बताया था ना आदित्य बिरला में. तो तब वहाँ पे आई मेट सीनियर्स, तो उनकी ट्रेजेक्ट्री से थोड़ी इन्फ्लुएंस हो गई थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो ट्राई करते हैं. तो बस पहुँच गए हम.
बट ठीक है, आपको थोड़ा क्लैरिटी था कि मार्केटिंग में जाना है. HUL was a dream, although then you went to consulting on your job. ठीक है, वो एक अलग स्टोरी है. बट जैसे आजकल अगर बात करें या मैं अगर अपनी बात करूं, जब मैं उस पॉइंट पे था 2019 व्हेन आई ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम एंड डिड माय बीटेक, तो तब भी मेरे पास ऑप्शन थे कि या तो मैं फॉरेन चले जाऊं टू परस्यू मास्टर्स या जॉब कर लेता हूं. तब मेरे पास खैर और ये एक्टिंग वाली फील्ड नहीं था मेरे पास कि यहाँ पर जा सकता हूँ मैं. बट अगर हम आज के स्पेस की बात करें, कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है यहाँ पे बच्चों के पास. तो अगर आप उनको कुछ बताना चाहें कि यार ट्राई करो, या कुछ एडवाइस देना चाहें फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस, कि यार ये दीज आर आल्सो द अनकन्वेंशनल पाथ्स दैट यू कैन ट्राई एंड एस्टैब्लिश ऑन.
Definitely, like I think your college years like are your building years, your experiencing years.
Right.
The one thing that I did, and marketing also didn't happen to me, right? मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये मुझे पसंद है. I tried. In 3 years of my undergraduation, I was doing multiple internships, multiple projects, different types of internships, right? And that's when I was like eliminating things that I didn't like. You will never ever know what you like for sure. You will never ever have the decision कि यार ये best कर. मेरे को अभी नहीं पता यार मेरे को क्या करना है next 5 years में. But I chose for the fact कि let's eliminate what I'm not liking, and focus on what I'm liking. So my suggestion to everyone would be that internet, ChatGPT is on your disposal.
आजकल तो ये है.
Yeah, just write a prompt with all your skill sets. Write a prompt with whatever you like to do, and just go and work. I remember मैं एक internship free में कर रही थी, but I think by far मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा वही सीखा होगा. And that's the most amount of advice I can give is there are many fields and they'll always keep coming. Just go and try.
मेरे को इससे अपनी एक एक्चुअली स्टोरी याद आ गई कि कैसे ट्राई वगैरह करते रहना चाहिए.
हाँ जी.
यूजी के टाइम पे तो मैं बीटेक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ.
हाँ.
बट तब ना मेरे को कोडिंग की बहुत चलती.
अरे वाह.
यार ऐप वगैरह बनाते हैं, वेबसाइट बनाएंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे, खूब ये था. बट मन बहुत करता था कोडिंग करने का. तो मैंने भी तब ऐसे खुद से सीख ली थी. तब क्या था, गूगल ये एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट के नया मतलब तब काफी ऐप वाली चीजें बढ़ रही थी.
हाँ जी.
एप्लीकेशंस एंड्रॉइड फोन में आ रही थी नई. तो गूगल ने काफी फ्री रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कर रखे थे कि चलो यहाँ से सीख लो तुम. दे विल गिव यू सर्टिफिकेट एट द एंड कि तुम चलो सीवी में डाल सको. बट वैसे मैंने खुद से सीखा, देन मैंने खुद से एक ऐप बना दी.
अरे वाह.
2018-2019 में बीइंग अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर ऐप बना दी. तो 2 महीने उसको लाइव रखा. ज्यादा ट्रैक्शन नहीं आया, बट फिर डाउन कर दिया. बट 2019 में जब मैंने डाउन किया या जब बनाई थी, 2022 में मतलब 3-4 साल बाद IIM बैंगलोर की SOP में मैंने उसके बारे में लिखा. देन IIM अहमदाबाद में भी केस कंपटीशन में मैंने सेम आइडिया को पिच किया. इट वाज क्रैश डिटेक्टर. तो मैंने आइडिया पिच किया एंड आई उसी केस कंपटीशन में फाइनलिस्ट तक गया था.
वाओ.
तो दिस इज एक्चुअली one thing that I would like to share कि यार
this is too good.
हाँ, ट्राई कर लो. मन करे ना ट्राई कर लो.
एंड सीखो जो नहीं पता है. That's the beauty यार कि नहीं आता है. मतलब you just learned it. चाहे and always a learner. Simple.
तब अगर उसकी वैल्यू रियलाइज नहीं होगी, बाद में जाके जरूर उसका फल जरूर मिलेगा.
Definitely. Yes.
तो ठीक है, ये मेरी एक स्टोरी थी एंड दैट एडवाइस आई वुड लाइक टू गिव. आई जस्ट रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम योर जर्नी कि आपने भी कैसे कितनी चीजें ट्राई करी हैं, तो आई थॉट टू शेयर दैट एज वेल.
It's a very pretty story.
Then coming to your MBA journey, you were youngest in your batch.
Yes.
Right? And what was the batch size then?
450.
Same ही रहा है. Okay. तो being a youngest, वहाँ पर पूरा 2 साल पूरे से आसपास लोगों के साथ हो. You are the youngest one. How was it for you?
Oh God. I think यार वो मैं कोटा फैक्ट्री का वो एक डायलॉग है, पता है कि तुम 4 साल कोटा में रहते हो. कोटा तुम कोटा से निकल जाओगे, बट कोटा तुमसे नहीं निकलेगा. सेम. For me it was a new game. Like it was like extremely competitive space to be in, non-engineer, coming in, very naive as a person, extremely like extroverted, but at the same time I was very, very, what do you say, I've never been out of my house, so very difficult, very challenging. But having said that, यार आई रिमेम्बर एक दो टाइम्स ऐसे हुए थे जब आई इन द फर्स्ट मंथ आई वाज लाइक भाई ये मेरे लिए नहीं है जगह मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्यों लिया है इन्होंने
मम्मी मुझे घर जाना है
मम्मी मुझे घर जाना है एंड अहमदाबाद वाज सो क्लोज टू बॉम्बे ठीक है आई लिटरली यूज्ड टू फ्लाई एवरी वीकेंड और सेकंड वीकेंड बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट लाइक used to the kind of you know how it is, right? The first term is so like you're doing
hyper competitive.
Exactly, your classes start, your entire summers prep starts, your club run start.
और इतने subjects आते हैं पहले term में.
Exactly.
तो हर field के
सब्जेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. मतलब मैं देख रही हूँ भाई ब्लैकस्टोन का बंदा बैठा है यहाँ पे, ये डॉक्टर बैठी हुई है, आर्किटेक्ट बैठे हुए हैं, और मैं मार्केटिंग ग्रेजुएट HR कॉलेज इधर AIRs बैठे बैठे और
मैं आ गई हूँ यहाँ पे. कहाँ आ गई हूँ?
है ना. वेंटो हमारी एक काउंसिल है ठीक है, और उनका ना उधर मैं उनके पास गई, मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे बताओ क्यों मुझे लाए हो यहाँ पे तुम, ये लोग देखा है तुमने इनको? तो she always used to tell me that Rudra, you have been bored because there is something that we've seen in you. People who have taken your interview are not stupid. So trust yourself. Focus on your strengths. Don't run away from your weaknesses. Build on your weaknesses. You might take time. Also, one thing that she said to me that still sticks with me is, please don't compare the first chapter of your life with someone's 5th or 10th. You will never ever be able to survive this, right? तो जो मेरे स्ट्रेंथ्स थे उसमें अच्छे से किए. एंड सेकेंड ईयर में आई थिंक आई वन 4-5 केस कॉम्पिटिशंस. आई वन Colgate Inner Circle in the first year. We were only 2 people from the batch who won it. Then I did Asian Paints. I won Asian Paints. I won Marico. So वो सब किया.
कहाँ अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस से पूरा जीत रही हो?
मैं जीत रही हूँ. And but I just did that. Just kept fighting and going ahead in life and just. But it's not easy. But having said that, if you've been placed in a place where you're supposed to be, you get the energy from somewhere, and you just have to be thoda sweet, confident to your own self and trust the process.
I think last वाली line तो बहुत अच्छी बोली आपने. Trust the process. Everything will work out. मेहनत करते रहो.
Everything will work out, yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. Things will fall into place.
Yes.
That's great. But again, 2 साल के पूरे experience में, what is one core memory for you?
From IMA?
From IMA.
Yeah, there are so many core memories. I think, if I had to choose one core memory from my IMA journey.
एक होता है ना, this यार ये क्या experience है, best experience of my 2 years.
Best experience of my 2 years. I think best experience would be 2 things. Two of them are like my core memory. It's the first one is when I was hosting Chaos, right? Because छोड़ दिया था मैंने एक पूरा साल. द फर्स्ट ईयर जब मैं एंटर हुई थी IMA के बाद एकदम छूट गया था. एक्टिंग, एंकरिंग जो मैं इतना कर रही थी, राइट? एंड माई कॉन्फिडेंस हैड डिप्ड so badly because grades are not doing well. You've been cut out from your life back, right? And you're not doing anything that's interesting in you, etc. So I had lost confidence. And tabhi a very dear friend of mine, she saw that. And she knew that ये anchoring लड़की वाली है, इसको बहुत पसंद है ये वो. I remember she called me. She's like, अब भी आ. मैंने बोला क्यों? She's like कि just come here. और वो अपना उधर ही हो रहा था ना लाइब्रेरी के बाहर एंकरिंग.
RJM?
हाँ वहाँ RJM नहीं, पूरा स्टेज लगाते हैं.
स्टेज वाला वहाँ पे बाहर लाइब्रेरी के बाहर.
LKP पे. And I go on this and I go there and she's like, host. I'm like, तू पागल हो गई है? like, host this Rudra. I was like, I'm not dressed. She's like, मैंने यहाँ पे रखी है, जा change कर ले फटाक से. And she made that happen. she's like, just host the event. And मैं गई हूँ, मैंने माइक लिया है और मैंने chaos host किया है. As I remember वो, that change from that non-confident girl to that, damn, I still got it in me. And that was so important for me at that moment, and she saw it in me, and that's what is one of my core memory, that somewhere down the line, your skills, your strengths are always going to be in you. Bas, just go there, just face your fear and it'll happen.
I think काफी जगह आपका रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया कि यार चलो ट्राई करते हैं.
ट्राई करते हैं.
And you have achieved success in that.
Yeah, ट्राई करो. Like, बस ट्राई करो.
हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
हो जाएगा.
बढ़िया है. काफी अगेन वेरी गुड स्टोरी आई वुड से कि यार एक तो पूरा टच छूट चुका था एंकरिंग से.
पूरा लाइक फट्टू, एकदम फट्टू बन गई थी मैं.
ये है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, फ्रेशर्स के लिए आई थिंक ये काफी हेल्पफुल हो सकता है बिकॉज अगेन यू वर द फ्रेशर इन योर बैच. तो IMA में क्या होता है, इनफैक्ट सब बी स्कूल्स में क्या होता है कि यू आर बिल्डिंग योर CV.
यस.
तो वर्कएक्स वालों का जैसे मेरा था, मैं जब वहां पर था तो हमारे पास वर्कएक्स के पॉइंटर्स होते हैं, यार ये वाला एक्सपीरियंस अपना डाल देंगे, CV भरा लगेगा, कंपनीज आएगी, फिर वर्कएक्स को वाली बकेट को ऊपर कर लिए नीचे कर लिए, देन वेरिएंट्स बना के सबमिट करते थे. बट बीइंग अ फ्रेशर, अगेन एक तो ये चीज आ गई, आपका एंकरिंग एक्सपीरियंस था, तो यू वुड हैव पुट दैट इनटू योर CV. बट व्हाट एल्स वुड यू advise to freshers कि यार क्या और कर सकते हैं CV बनाने के लिए?
यार, as a fresher, I was very sure that I knew that I had to pitch myself differently. Right? There were so many students that were coming. I was competing. I knew I was competing with the SRCCs of the world. Not engineers, but SRCCs, the DUK colleges, right? MUK colleges, CAs, etc. So I thought that let's try and show a narration, right? Narrative build karte hain ki who are you? Why are you a little different, right? What is the story and where is the consistency in that story? So I started with like, hey, can I be good at academics, at the same time very good in extracurriculars, but also good in like business case competitions, etc. So if you had seen my CV back then, it was a very good mix of all. So I used to do pageant competitions, I used to do street plays, modeling, etc. But at the same time, my CGPA was like 10 on 10. I was not sacrificing on my grades. I won the Principal's Award in college. I wrote a research paper. I also won a lot of case competitions, international level case competitions as well. And having said that, I did internships, and these internships were not like something I got. I used to go and find them and like ask them, please le lo. And that's why, because I wanted to give a narrative that I'm a creative, but at the same time a business person, right? And that's the journey and that's the narrative I wanted to build. So the suggestion would be that choose your narrative, think what you would like to pitch and what would you like to present, backtrack that. Right? कैसे आप उसको build कर सकते हो? Of course, your options are these only, right? Internships, you have your scholarships, etc., case competitions. You also have extracurricular activities, clubs of colleges, NGOs. I was also into Enactus. I was in RCNM. So मैंने पूरा ऐसे मतलब सब कुछ, I wanted to create that story. I made that story and I participated. Yeah.
काफ़ी helpful tip है कि अगेन फ्रॉम व्हाट यू सेड कि नरेशन अपना डिफाइन कर लेना.
हाँ जी.
कि क्या आपको सेल करना है, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू पिच, एंड दैट दोज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू प्रेजेंट इन योर CV.
Yes.
Again.
Yes.
So freshers out there, tips for you, and if you want more such tips, we are here. Rudra is here. I'll link the socials. You can reach out to her.
Definitely, anytime.
Because she वो है आपकी जगह पे.
I can completely relate to every fresher that's still maybe watching this and is on campus. It's not easy for them. It is and I'm telling this out loud, it will not be easy. So if you feel that यार मेरे साथ ही हो रहा, नहीं. मेरे साथ जितने freshers मेरे batch में थे, I still know one of my really close friends and she was also from Bombay. हम लोग washroom में exam के बाद बीच में मिले हैं एक दो बार. I used to just look at her and I'll be like, hi, and she's like, Rudra छोड़. And हमारे रिजल्ट्स मिलते थे, हम एक दूसरे के पेपर्स देख रहे हैं, I used to be like, Rudra, and it is struggle. It is a struggle for freshers, But the beauty of all of these things is that you have more years to
Right.
experiment, more years to learn, and definitely more risk-taking appetite. You have more ways of channelizing your energies in different fields. So just let this go as a phase if you're in your MBA right now, and just focus on your strengths, and it's all going to land up well. I am doing fine, so you would too.
नहीं, ये बात तो है, बिकॉज फ्रेशर्स का यही होता है कि दे आर स्केयर्ड, स्पेशली जैसे आपने बोला कि यार मेरे आसपास वो ब्लैक स्टोन से आ रखा है.
अरे भाई बहुत मचाओ लोग हैं, बहुत मचाओ लोग हैं. लाइक it is you are going to be scared, and it is, ये जायज़ है, काफ़ी जायज़ है. But having said that, rather than comparing yourself with them and their story and वो कितना आगे जा रहा है, see how you're progressing by each day in your MBA journey. Sit there and know what you want to take out of that MBA journey. Be it you want to grow education, like knowledge wise, you want to start your own startup of something, you want to do a research of something, you want to grow in a space that is new to you, do more internships, etc. Just know what you want to do and just do it in your MBA.
अगेन यहाँ पर भी सेम वही चीज आ गई पुरानी कि यू कैन कैंसल द ऑप्शंस दैट यू डोंट वांट टू डू. एक्सप्लोरेशन फेज है, एक्सप्लोरेशन टाइम है, चलो ट्राई करते हैं, ये नहीं हुआ तो चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई कर लिया, नहीं मजा आ रहा, पता लग गया कि मुझे नहीं करना है.
रिलेशनशिप्स को ट्रायल कर लेते हैं. अरे क्या
बी स्कूल्स आर नोन फॉर इट.
एग्जैक्टली माय पॉइंट. बाकी सब छोड़ो. बट या, गो बैक टू योर रूट्स. It's okay if they don't relate to you or can talk the intellectual बातें जो कैंपस पे चल रही है. They know you, they'll help you.
How was your internship experience? सबसे पहले process. You went to Bain for your internship and also secured a PPO.
Yes.
What was the process? Internship process कैसा था? Because again, I'm going back to the same thing. Because you're a fresher, youngest. वहाँ पर तुम compete कर रहे हो काफी तोड़ू लोगों से.
भाई बहुत तोड़ू लोग हैं. But my internship was really nice. I think what was the best thing about my internship was that I did everything on my strengths. So I'll give you an example. I remember हमें case, like I was working for one of the biggest MNCs as a client back then, and they wanted to revamp their brand memorability across India. And we were doing a competitive analysis with again a very big FMCG giant, right? And in a call, I remember there were partners also, and I've literally said, aren't they using the same ads across all the things, and that's the competitor, and that's why the costs are less, and we are making ads for each state in a different manner. And they are also they have 4 variants of the same product, and they're using the same ad with showing the product as differently, but we are making all ads differently. So of course our costs will be high.
Right.
And my partner is like, and he looked at my consultant and he's like, why didn't you notice this? And for me, I was a creative person. So ऐसा नहीं था कि यार you forget your roots. Like I remember ये बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ थी, but it was such a impactful thing कि वो cost bucket इसलिए हमारा इतना high है because हम production cost में इतना डाल रहे हैं. And this could only happen because of my experience in ads. This could only happen because of I had the creative angle of saying कि यार ये तो set same है, actor भी same है, सिर्फ इतना change कर दिया है. Having said that, internship was very, very good in a sense. Bain, I think consulting is a very good starter for all freshers or anybody who is restarting their career. Gives you so much of opportunity to learn faster. The learning curve is super steep. You talk to people so much more knowledgeable than your space. You learn and grow at the same time. It is sure hard work. You will be, your intelligence will be questioned at times. You will question your intelligence
at every point in time.
At every point in life, I swear. But yeah, it is. It was really nice for me. And PPO happened. I'm still in contact with all my partners and keep on messaging them and be like, hey, what's going on? And they also be like, tell us what's going on in the startup world now. And I was like, that's nice.
तो आपने ड्रीम किया था फाइनेंस में?
नहीं.
तो आप done and dusted with the placement. देखो PPO मिल गया. Now
PPO, I will enjoy. I think Bain was, I wanted to give consulting a good shot, like before I switch. And I think, as said, काफी senior से बात की थी and everyone was like, Rudra, you learn a lot. So why not take the chance? I was like, yeah, perfect.
Amazing.
और कोविड
amazing.
वाला साल था, ठीक है, हमारे पास तुम्हारे इतने जॉब नहीं आए थे हमारे पास, ठीक है, जितने तुम्हें आए थे.
जॉब मार्केट अभी भी ड्राई है, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट.
ओके.
बहुत मुश्किल सीन है अभी.
अच्छा, ऑलराइट.
ठीक है, चलो ये तो होगी कुछ ज्ञान वाली बातें, कैसे सीवी बनाना है, कैसे
Yeah.
तुम्हें अपनी 2 ईयर की जर्नी जानी है.
हाँ.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट other side of MBA as well. You know, there is a movie,
हाँ हाँ.
Two States.
Which you have also watched.
Yes. सबने देखी है वो मूवी.
हाँ.
बट उसमें जैसा होता है कि पंजाबी गाय fell into love with Tamilian girl, then they are happily married. Of course, based on true story of Chetan
happily,
Bhagat.
yes, very happily
Is
married.
Two States for real?
क्या तुम्हें दिख रही है एंगेजमेंट? दिख रही है.
Okay, बाकियों का? Is Two States for real in IIMs?
Yeah, it is. I remember telling a friend the other day also that MBA people go for MBA and one of the reasons is to find a life partner, and I'm
Are you
not kidding.
serious?
Yes.
हाँ, ये कैसे?
तुम
मतलब ये कैसा रीजन हो सकता है कि यार मेरे को लाइफ पार्टनर नहीं मिल रहा है,
Just because तुझे और मुझे नहीं मिले. Just because तुझे और मुझे नहीं मिला, that doesn't mean नहीं होता. I mean, masti aside, it's just that you meet people who are of the same intellectual as you. You spend so much of time on campus, you bond and connect. You see one of the worst days of your life and best moments of your life there. And when you connect with someone there, it just, you become a different person. And you definitely meet the right set of people who are as ambitious as you, aspirational as you. Having said that, I was 20. Okay? I was literally 20. Average age of people in that campus was 24. I was very young to them. मुझे नहीं मिला कोई, but मेरे सारे काफ़ी दोस्तों को have got their life partners out of
But that is a byproduct, no? ऐसा कुछ पहले इंटेंशन तो ना हो यार कि चलो बंदी या बंदा नहीं है, चलो चलते हैं एमबीए करते हैं.
अच्छा, इंजीनियर्स को पूछना ही है. मैं
इंजीनियर हूँ.
नहीं यार, आई थिंक बाई प्रोडक्ट होता है, बट इट इज़ अ डेफिनेट फैक्टर इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. ऐसा नहीं कि ये ऐसे हाँ हो जाएगा टाइप्स. इट इज़ अ फैक्टर कि
ये किसी ने बोला है क्या?
हाँ, आई नो.
थोड़ा और बताओ बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी इसका.
Yeah, I have heard this on campus also, and people do it, right? It is all that it is like a place to interact, socialize, talk, etc., right? And it's a very valid model also that you meet people, you jam with them, you're working with them, you understand them on their most bad days, you see the true nature of all these people. No sugarcoating, nothing, just them as their real self, and that's the best place to meet, interact, and know if you want to find a life partner there.
तो अगेन बाय प्रोडक्ट आ गया यहाँ पे.
हाँ भैया, बाई प्रोडक्ट है. अगर मुझे भी पता था कि ये वन ऑफ द रीजंस होता तो मैं ढूंढ लेती. अच्छा.
So you did not find your life partner at IIM?
I have not found my life partner at all. And I am.
Okay.
तो जले पे और नमक छिड़कने वाला है. अब ठीक है, ये हो चुका है कॉन्वर्सेशन का.
Okay. ये वाला कट करेंगे हम for sure. नहीं ठीक है. So okay. So for freshers out there, one last tip that you would give from your journey, because you have seen everything. I think positives also, negatives also.
Yeah.
But उससे पहले I would like to know, what was the most struggling part for you in your 2 years of IIM Ahmedabad?
Wow. What was the most struggling part in 2 years of my MBA journey would be... I think it would be... I think it would be during actually the time when my grades were not coming that great. And I remember एक TA थी, उन्होंने मेरे ग्रेड्स पूरे बैच में सर्कुलेट करा दिए थे.
बैच को बता दिया?
हाँ, तो पूरे बैच को पता था मेरा ग्रेड क्या है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Embarrassing, no?
Very, extremely. And I remember it was very difficult, right? Because you were already struggling with so much that's happening around, and campus ऐसी चीज़ है जब उन्हें पता चलता है कि intellectually you are not as proficient as the other people in the batch, you're excluded, or you have been pushed away from a lot of things, from groups that are formed for cases, from study groups that get formed, from just like discussions, etc. And that was a very difficult phase, right? Because I was in my head, I had believed and accepted the fact that what people were saying and what these grades were telling is the truth. That I don't belong here, or I don't deserve this, or I'm not good at studies, or I'm not meant for doing all this, which is utter bullshit, right? But at that moment, all was like all these were feeling true because I made it true to me. And that was the most difficult time, and I'm glad that I found really good support on IMA back then, and also outside IMA I had a couple of friends who've really taken out the time to sit with me, make me understand, help me study, help me get back on my feet, etc. So this was one of the difficult times, right? And this might happen with every person in the MBA journey, where at one point in life they're going to feel that whatever people are saying, or whatever the placement reports are saying, or internships not working well, grades not coming in, groups not taking you, ranks not coming through, or you're failing, right? And these are these people who've not tasted failure, right? You're going to taste failure for the very first time, but don't let that define you. And I did that. And trust me, it took me more than 2 years to find myself back again. Right? So I'm going to club the answer to the first question, that what would be my suggestion to every person, especially freshers. Do not let any of these failures define you. Do not let them tell you that, hey, you cannot, you are this, you are this, you are this. You're not just a marketing person. You're not just a creative person. You can do math. You can do numbers. You're good at business. You can be an all-rounder. You are not... just because you're very extroverted, that doesn't mean that you don't have a sense of maturity. Just because you are always laughing or, jolly, bubbly, that doesn't mean that you don't have a sense of a life where you have a past that, traumatized. Everybody has their own story. Respect other stories. Know your boundaries. Know your value system. Stick to it. And lastly, do not let any person define what you are, because once you say a yes in your head to whichever line they're saying, you're attaching that to your memory and your personality. So don't do that. You're enough.
Perfect. बहुत सही.
बहुत ज्ञान हो गया ये तो.
बहुत सही सजेशन दिया आई थिंक. एंड इस पे थोड़ा सा मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि यस वाली जो बात है ना, कि यार अगर तुमने किसी चीज़ से यस बोल दिया और अटैच कर लिया, देन यू विल टेक इट ऑन योर ओन. खुद पर ले लोगे. मेरा ये रहता है कि डोंट टेक not everything I would say, but don't take a thing at their face value.
Yeah.
होता है कुछ चीजें, take it, absorb it, but grow out of it.
Definitely.
Amazing. ठीक है, बहुत ज्ञान हो गया.
Too much ज्ञान.
Okay. तो इसके बाद, so before we wrap up our discussion, you know that we both are MBAs from same college.
Yes.
मेरे senior.
Only in curriculum. He's older than me, guys. He's older.
Okay. So yeah, we both are from same college. आप मेरे senior हैं यहाँ पे. तो and मेरे को काफी लोगों ने बोला कि MBA is a bubble. यार तुम फिर आसपास के लोग वही दिखेंगे सारे. यार ये भी MBA है, ये भी MBA है, ये इस कॉलेज से, ये फलाना, ये वो. But do you think is MBA the only career that defines you?
I mean, it's a very good question, honestly, right? Am I meeting people who are extremely successful and non-MBAs? Yes. Am I meeting people who have done an MBA, chosen a career and are still on that career? Yes. But have I also met people who are MBAs and doing something very different? Yes. People are content creators right now. People are have started their own funds. People have gone into sustainability. People I know are literally travelers, full-time founders, solving for problems like sexual health, wellness, luxury goods, etc. I mean, it is a bubble because you only see the next 1 year or 2 year of a person's life. And whenever you're taking a decision, you see that, हाँ यार, ये jump मिल जाएगा. In your monetary lifestyle, in your career switch. But if you want to break out of the bubble, just think about how you would like a life and what are the things that really motivate you. And as in a life, if you like, if money is a very big factor and you think that you want instant gratification or instant results, then MBA is the option. Yeah, I am just assuming that everybody is knowledgeable enough that if they know they can crack the cat, and that's my assumption. But lena hai ki nahi, if you need that jump, instantly or very soon, because I know people are responsibilities है यार लोगों के ऊपर,
Right.
then MBA is definitely a very good option for them, right? You get to get into the best places, you get into the best MNCs, consulting, financial roles, everything, right? But having said that, is it the only option where you can earn money or create value or deliver back to the society? No, right? You need to choose what in life and in how many years is it going to create impact to you financially, giving back to the society, and definitely as per what you believe that you want to be in the life.
अमेजिंग थिंग. इससे अगेन मेरे को अपने अपने इंडक्शन में मेरे को किसी ने बोला था कि डिफाइन योर एंकर्स,
हाँ.
कि इस डायरेक्शन में मैं जाना चाहता हूँ या जाना चाहती हूँ, एंड देन गो अलोंग. सो अगेन MBA इज द ओनली ऑप्शन. It depends upon you.
Yes.
Totally depends upon you. But
Yes.
is MBA the only option?
No.
There are a lot of other options.
A lot of-
Especially
Yeah.
आज का जो ये टाइम है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
You can do anything.
Simply grow out of it.
Yeah, you can. I know a person who is literally, and I'm not even kidding, very educated, one of the like from an MBA space, who is just right now traveling, meeting new people, and has opened up smaller cafes in different villages, right? She's very happy that हाँ मेरे को आ रहा है जितना, I'm sustaining my life with this much income, but I am happy with what I'm doing. So you choose your battles, you choose how you define success for yourself, and then just fit in MBA if it fits.
बढ़िया. तो to the people out there, again, if you want any suggestions regarding to the MBA life, we both are here. Being a fresher, she has seen a lot of positives, negatives, everything actually.
Yeah.
So you can reach out to her.
Definitely, always welcome.
And before we wrap up our discussion, there is one section that I do. It's called the Creators Connect,
All right.
where I'll ask you ऐसे 7 words.
Okay.
And you have to answer me instantly जो thought आ रहे दिमाग में.
Oh, क्या बोलते हो? Rapid fire
Rapid fire,
round.
yes.
Okay.
Will do.
Yes, go on.
So first one, anchoring,
Passion,
money,
life,
IMA,
struggle. I'm being honest.
relationships.
Complicated.
Oh.
He is जानबूझ के doing this to me.
Acting,
Heart.
love.
I want to say life, but it's complicated.
So relationships and love both are complicated.
Yes.
Glamour.
Me?
Okay. That was a very honest answer.
Thanks.
All right. So thank you so much, Rudra, for doing this. This was really fun.
Yeah.
And आपसे बात करके बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला आपके जर्नी में. And I hope, and it will be the case, कि ऑडियंस को भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा आपकी जर्नी से. So thank you so much for being on our show.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for having me here. And I'm really happy if this is going to help someone on the next, and always available to chat. So thank you so much.
Thank you.